Hi students, welcome. Earlier lecture you listened I think and you find only introduction to financial accounting. Just we discussed about what is accounting, it is a system and what it will do, what will be the contents of introduction of financial accounting. Again we refresh. Okay, so in this unit we are learning accounting process, information process, users of accounting information, generally accepted accounting principles, accounting equation. Most important topic is the double entry system. So earlier video also we learned accounting is a language which is used to communicate our information to the other person in their understandable language. Our language is we are communicating our information to the receiver. So accounting language is communicating accounting information to the users after processing the information. Earlier video also we understood about this slide, that is accounting is an information system that measures the business activities, process information, and communicate financial information to the users. Accounting information is a system. In accounting is an information system that measures the business activities, process the data into reports. How simply we can understand is goods were sold. That is the activity that was written in X account data to sales account, processed into journal entry, posted into ledger account, updated in trial balance, and generated in as a report. That will be informed to the parties who are concerned, communicating the results for decision makers or decision making purpose. So overall definition of accounting is a process of identifying, recording, summarizing, and reporting economic information to decision makers in the form of financial statements. Accounting, it is a process of identifying. Accounting will identify the economic activities, recording, with the help of accounting language, that economic activities are recorded in the form of journal entries, summarizing. The journal entries were posted into special or particularized or categorized ledger accounts, summarizing, reporting. These ledger accounts updated to the trial balance for arithmetic accuracy. From the trial balance, we generate final accounts that was informed to the decision makers for decision making purpose. Two authorities defined the accounting according to the American Accounting Association. The process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decisions by users of the information. Process of identifying and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the accounting information. Earlier, 5 steps were repeated in this definition. In same manner, American Institute of Certified Public Accounts also defined a service activity whose function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature. The activity's aim is to provide quantitative information, that is particularly financial information about economic entities, in the sense companies or institutions, that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. For making economic decision or for making a decision, information is required. That information is processed by this accounting activity. Primary functions of accounting are: number one, recording data about business transactions. Activities are two types. What are they? Economic and non-economic activities. Economic activities are recorded. So our accounting will take that job regarding the economic activities. In the Egyptian era, they used to quill pen to record the data and store it in on paper scrolls. Today we might use a barcode and scan data into the computer system and store it on magnetic disk. Okay, from old tradition to the present, that main job of accounting is recording the data. And second function is summarizing results of business activity into useful report. Suppose all cash transactions we usually posted in cash book. That is called summarizing. The balance sheet and income statements have been standard reports for many years. We added a statement of cash flows. Managers in today's environment demand more detailed reports like sales by district or sales by product type. Okay, so you will have a subject called as computerized accounting, subject called as Excel foundation. Okay, these are the computer papers you are having. So the advantage of these papers in computerized accounting, you will take a detailed reports according to the each individual account, each individual account. So whatever all the cash related information, you will find out or you will take a printout by open the cash book or by taking the report of cash account. So one function is recording data, another function is summarizing the data, another one is providing assurance that the business is operating as intended. Means the main aim of business is to get profit. Every month or every year, every 6 months, companies would like to publish their financial results in newspapers, and their financial results should be known to general public, who are whomsoever it may concern. What they will do, they will record those transactions, summarize those transactions, process those transactions, generate into reports, and that reports indicates that XYZ company or Infosys company, Reliance company, ABC company, they got profit in this quarter. They got profit last 6 months. Company is continuously getting from 6 months or 7 months onwards. Last 10 years onwards, company is in profits. That will be known to the general public if their reports were generated and published. All the parties to a business event have looked into accountants to provide assurance that the transaction is properly handled, accurately recorded, and accurately reported. Even you would like to submit your information, financial information. Okay, you need a chartered accountant signature. Why chartered accountant? Chartered accountants are trained that these accounts are according to the generally accepted accounting principles. Once they signed, it will be known to each and everybody that this report is 100% as per the international standards or national standards. So, if the report which was published in newspapers are published in annual signed by authenticated by the chartered accountants or auditors indicates that those are 100% accurate. That increases the assurance among the investors or whomsoever it may concern. Most of the century, the assurance has been based on a system of internal controls and audit of the published financial statements. Earlier, people used to do manual accounting, but presently, all accounting procedure is processed through computers. You have theory and practice of GST in your further studies on paper. GST is goods and services tax. Presently, that tax is monitored through IT enabled, means from goods sent to the received payment, tax, e-way bill, and report of taxing, everything is complete, which indicates earlier is a manual system, presently it is computerized system, which enhances the accuracy and enhances the trust assurance among the users of accounting information. And accounting is an aid for decision making. It helps, accounting helps the management or the owners to take correct decision. The accounting information or accounting data which was provided to the owners or the creditors, whoever it may be, helps for correct decision making. Accounting helps in decision making by showing where and when money has been spent, by evaluating performance, and by showing the implications of choosing one plan instead of other. Most of you have an experience of preparation of profit and loss account. So whenever each and every profit and loss account we prepared, usually we will get a debit side to net profit. The net profit which we are writing, which is excess of income over expenditure, indicates that company is getting or company is in good condition. Our company is running with profits. If any company got losses, which we got a difference in credit side, excess of expenses over income, then people may understand this company is in. Okay, then what the management will do, whether they will sell the company outright or they may close, they are unable to run the company, or they may choose another plans. They may choose another plans. And they may take one partner who is financially sound, who will pump the capital into their business, which may increase the activities or which may help the business to grow. Okay, so Reliance is getting the capital as well as Reliance is inviting the partners. Reliance Jio 56,000 crores rupees were invested by Facebook in Reliance Jio. Why Reliance want to reduce its debts? That's why Facebook is invested. Facebook is indirectly getting the benefit of dividend, and Reliance is getting indirectly benefit by reducing their interest burden on the debts they borrowed. So, how it is possible to analyze, to invite a partner for investment? There is a balance sheet is there. In that balance sheet, they found left side, liability side, there is a borrowed capital is more amount and the interest liability is more. That's why they would like to initiate a plan B to invite those who are interested to invest in their company. Not only Facebook, many are invested in Reliance Jio for getting the more dividend, or their business plan will be different. Okay, so fundamental relationship in decision making process. The relationship in decision making process, the event which is account and analyze and record that one, and that was prepared as financial statement will supply to the users of the information. Okay, the next accounting is an information process, identification of users. First, whenever we are trying to prepare our accounting information, we try to prepare the accounting statements according to the users. We had cash flow statement is there, funds flow statement is there, stock summary is there. Many reports we generate according to the users. That's why before the processing the information, we try to identify to whom this information or report is needed. So identification of users and what is the need of the user. Bank is different, our creditor is different. Bank is also a creditor and our creditor, both are, we are supplying information to both people for attracting capital itself. So, but our report, little bit, we will prepare our report according to the user, according to the user needs. And the next, then we set right or we make our accounting system. Accounting system. That system, what we will try to do, we will approach our trial balance for preparation of final accounts, and that system will generate the report. We will approach our computer. We will open our tally software or our balance sheet or our financial reports. We change them according to the user and we will report that information to the users. And the users will decide what they want to. My company is a XYZ company. I need, this is my online training, online lectures platform. So presently I started with 10 crores. Now I would like to expand. Presently I am concentrating only on lectures of BCom or for the commerce graduates. Now I want to start for the science graduates also. So what I have to do, I have to develop a lab where I can record these lectures, and I also invite the lecturers who are belongs to science subjects, and I ask them, I will have to pay for them, record those videos, and I have to buy a channel. I have to invest some amount to buy the channel or space, and I have to advertise about my YouTube channel to the people. So additional capital is required to me. So who are the users? Either I can approach the bank or I can approach the third party who are interested to invest my online classes project. So my users are the bank. I prepared my last 2 years or 3 years information and balance sheet or profit and loss account. I generated a report and I sent to Punjab National Bank for loan purpose, which helped me to increase the lab, recruit the faculty, and made a video lectures for science students also. Okay, so that people will take a decision whether to offer a loan to this person or not. So that this accounting information help for decision making. And the flow of information. Okay, usually we know regularly what exactly happening. One is business transaction, either sale, purchase, payment, receipt, anyone, any business transaction which is in financial nature or which can be measured in monetarily. Business prepare reports, show the results of their operations. So financial transaction, once the financial transaction is occurred, when you visit to a college, what they will do, they ask you to pay the fees. You will pay the money and you will hand over you will be hand over a receipt, challan or whatever. Later, college people will prepare a journal entry, cash account data to tuition fees account. From the journal entry, they posted that amount into ledger account, tuition fee ledger account, that will be updated and that will be prepared for final accounts as a balance sheet. Okay, and people make decisions. That information is submitted to the management or the principal or some other people, government, for tax compliance or whatever it may be, for a decision making. So, all of flow of accounting information is transaction, processing, reporting. Business transaction is processed into reports. That reports are supplied, are submitted for the people, those who wish to take decisions on that. Flow accounting information are designed to meet the needs of decision makers who use the financial information. From the last video or the present video, we were discussing about accounting information helps the people who so may it a concern, whoever it may be. This information help them to take decisions. It is either maybe general public or maybe government or maybe manager or maybe the owner, whoever it may be. This accounting information is used to take proper decisions. Proper decisions. Every business maintain some type of accounting system. These system may be very complex or very simple. Presently, most of the when you look at the history, our double accounting system is used by many all over the world. Debit and credit chant by the accountants or the managers all over the world. After the software era is started, this accounting, traditional accounting, is converted as a computerized accounting. For that computerized accounting, many softwares were introduced to process this accounting very simple. Very simple. The real value of accounting system lies in the information that the system provides. Okay, so we had an experience of computerized accounting from 1999 onwards. We saw how the journal entry is processed by the computer, how the ledger is updated by the computer. Earlier, we used it to prepare final accounts manually. Presently, computerized accounting helps the students as well as everybody to understand digitally. Okay, in this digital era, many computerized accounting or accounting processing will become very easy, very easy. That is, barcoding system is there. Each and every bill is with barcode. That barcode is scanned by the system. Automatically, bill information will be uploaded in journal entries. Okay, there is one software called as zero accounting, ZDR, XCR. That one. So once you informed about that, either bill or whatever it may be, next time just scan that bill. Journal entry is automatically prepared by that software. And one of the beauty of that software, zero accounting, is it is integrated with local bank transactions. You know about BRS, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, with this software, it is all the transactions which we dealt with the bank automatically updated in our system. Updated in our system. So in coming futures, coming days, many softwares will come up with that. And earlier, last video also I told about GST, Goods and Services Tax. Government of India And not only India, in 160 countries, this totally tax collection payment and is it computerized. Okay, that is flow of accounting information. Users of accounting information, we will learn in next video. Please wait till then, and before that, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the updates. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye, students. Next video, we are going to understand about users of accounting information. Bye.